What are the components of a Hyperloop logistics pod? Imagine a vehicle that can zip through a tube faster than an airplane, carrying goods across hundreds of miles in minutes. That's what a Hyperloop logistics pod aims to do. These pods are built for speed, safety, and efficiency, transforming how we move freight. Let's take a closer look at what makes up these futuristic transporters. First, the pod's outer shell is made from super strong, lightweight materials like carbon fiber or special composites. These materials keep the pod light enough to go fast but tough enough to protect the cargo. The shell must be airtight to keep the internal environment stable and prevent any leaks during the journey. Next, the pod uses a levitation system to glide smoothly inside the tube. Magnetic levitation, or Maglev, employs powerful magnets to lift and stabilize the pod without touching the tube walls. Alternatively, air bearings create a thin cushion of pressurized air that reduces friction even more. Both systems help the pod reach incredible speeds without wearing down the components. The propulsion system is another key part. It often involves linear electric motors that push the pod forward along the tube. Some designs include onboard electric compressors that manage air pressure ahead of the pod, reducing drag and allowing it to accelerate quickly. This setup can propel the pod at speeds over 1,000 kilometers per hour, making deliveries in a fraction of traditional transit times. Because the tube is kept at a near vacuum level, the pod needs systems to handle pressure differences. Electric compressors and pressure regulation devices ensure the environment stays stable, preventing pressure buildup that could cause issues or safety concerns. Cargo handling is also carefully designed. The pod features secure compartments that are airtight and may include climate controls or shock absorbers. These features protect sensitive goods and allow for quick loading and unloading, which is vital for supply chain efficiency. Control and navigation systems are embedded throughout the pod. Sensors track its position, speed, and system health in real time. These communicate with central control stations to coordinate movement, avoid collisions, and keep everything running smoothly. Energy storage is critical too. The pod has onboard batteries or capacitors that supply power for propulsion and other systems. Efficient energy use helps keep operational costs low and supports sustainability goals. Safety features are built into every part. Emergency supplies, communication links, and fail-safe mechanisms ensure that even in unexpected situations, the cargo remains secure and the pod can be safely stopped or rerouted. All these components work together to make Hyperloop logistics pods a promising solution for fast, reliable, and eco-friendly freight transport. They can fit seamlessly into modern supply chains, cutting transit times drastically and reducing carbon footprints compared to trucks or airplanes. The design supports the future of sustainable and high-speed logistics, making goods move faster and greener than ever before.